And we're back to learn CapCut in a year, day 56. Let me show you how you can change the background color. I've already shown you something like this. So we have a vertical video, you can click on ratio, make it 16:9, but we have these black bars to left and right because the format doesn't fit. And that's because under Video Basic, as long as you've got your footage selected, you can go to Canvas. And if you don't set anything particular here, it will be black. But you can use the drop down for blur, and also inbuilt patterns, and then finally the colors. And you can see if I click on the colors, they will be applied to the background, which is in this case the canvas. And make this a bit bigger, and I click on the drop down. And now we can see all of these swatches. There's also a color slider right here, and it has a color picker. If you left click on it, you can sample a color on the footage. So maybe here on the jeans. And this will be given then to the canvas. And this I can change the background color in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.